what's wrong with his car. You look him straight in the eye and say, you ain't using this car tonight. What's the matter?
What do you say when you've got an assistant?
I don't care if you've got 10 assistants. If the guy needs help, you just look at him and say,
You're gonna basically say,
'Several cars are involved. Looks like it might be one of the Ferraris.
And here he is, bada bing.
ready? I'm gonna rotate it.
You know this car?
I know this car.
Can you just tell me when my car is going to be ready?
when your car be ready, huh? You ready, boys?
All right, I'm gonna run and.
Hold it. Back to business. Back to business. Okay, boys?
Think you're gonna find when all this shit is over and done? I think you're gonna find yourself one smiling motherfucker.
Thank you.